You know when your dad walks out to the chicken coop holding a fake egg, and you just know he's about to say something either genius or completely unhinged? So I ask him, "What's with the plastic egg?" And he goes, "It tricks the hen into thinking she's already laid here. It will make her come back and keep laying in the same spot." He gently places the fake egg in one of the nesting boxes like it's made of gold, then steps back with this proud look on his face. He is so sure that will do it. White, egg-shaped, solid, probably more perfect than anything the actual chickens would lay. Putting a fake egg in a nesting box helps train or encourage hens to lay eggs in the right spot. Chickens are creatures of habit. If they see an egg already in a nest, they think, "Oh, this must be the good laying spot. Everyone else is using it." The fake egg triggers a natural instinct to lay where it feels safe and proven. It also prevents egg-eating behavior. Fake eggs don't break, so hens that peck at them learn it's not worth it. And here is a fun fact. Chickens are so influenced by visual cues that even a golf ball can sometimes work if you don't have a fake egg handy. So now, every morning, we've got the magic egg in the coop. And every morning, the hens line up like it's VIP seating at an egg-laying lounge. Moral of the story? Sometimes magic isn't pulling a rabbit out of a hat. Sometimes it's just putting a fake egg in the right place and letting nature do the rest. If you have enjoyed this little story, please feel free to subscribe, and let's hope to see you later.